Welcome to Lunacy. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a holographic effect. Launch Lunacy and create a new document. Create an artboard. I use the HD preset. Increase artboard height. Adjust the zoom. Add a rectangle the size of the artboard. Change the fill type to radial gradient. Create another fill layer. Set its type to angular gradient. Set the blend mode to difference. Create one more fill layer and set its type to radial gradient. Change the blend mode of the layer to screen. The background is ready. Let's start adding other elements. Select the artboard and enable the layout grid. Adjust the columns. Select the text tool and add a text block to the left side of the artboard. Adjust the text. For details, check out the text version of the tutorial. The link is in the description. Add the second text block with the same settings. Add the third text block. Select the last two text blocks and group them. Duplicate the group 2 times. Edit the text in the duplicates and align them. Select the line tool and draw a line under the text blocks. Add a small text block at the bottom of the artboard. Underline it. Create the last text in the lower right corner of the artboard. Open the Icons tab and select an icon you like. Turn off the layout grid. Create some more holographic elements. Add another artboard. Copy all the elements to the second artboard.